The second scenario for gaslighting is a colleague dismisses legitimate concerns as overreacting or too sensitive, making the target question their reality. Okay. I'm having my manager, the manager is denying that I provided him this document, but yet he signed it and initialed it on this date. And then I go to talk to my colleague about it, and my colleague, and I want to be careful because it's not gaslighting, right? Or it's not gossiping, but my colleague dismisses that legitimate concern as overreact. Oh, you're overreacting. Oh, you're too sensitive. I cannot tell you the number of times I've heard I'm too sensitive. Am I? Or am I perceptive? Do I have a really good understanding of human beings and human nature? I don't think I'm too sensitive. Nor are you. If someone is gaslighting you, saying you're too sensitive or you're crazy or you're just overreacting. All right. That makes the target question their reality.